I'm gonna show you how to make Puerto Rican beans. Very simple, right? If you got any can you want, this is the one I'm using today. See, dark kidney beans. Got my sofrito here. Got one of these bad boys. So you can take a can, right? Open it like this. And empty out your shit into the bowl, you feel me? And sometimes the beans get stuck in the bottom, right? So what you want to do is you put a little water in there, spin it around real quick. See what I'm doing here? It's gonna spin around real quick. Directive. And so then you grab the shit, mix it real well, right? This is gonna cook for about 30 minutes, right? I know you're saying. Yo, where the potato at? Shit, it's right here. These potatoes take like 20 minutes to cook. So you can peel this after. I usually let this cook for a little bit until I get the potatoes done. A bit disorganized, but we here now. Take this. And we'll take one of these joints, right? Yo, if you ever seen one of these are worth it. I get these from the Asian market. They cut, they peel, make chips, whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? Pan of potatoes shouldn't be off that process. You know what I'm saying? You just, that's it. You know what I'm saying? Flop. You know what I'm saying? We push shit fast around here. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't take 2 hours to peel a potato. Alright. Once these beans get done cooking for about 20 minutes or so, you taste it, see if you need more. I still gotta add some garlic powder in there because you can have too much garlic in there. So when you cut this, right, you want to cut it into bite-sized pieces, right? One's down the middle. Cut it again. Cut it again. One more time. There you go, 4 pieces right there. Another 4 pieces. I'm saying cutting potatoes shouldn't be an all-day process. Should be simple. You know, for me, I like a little more potato in my shit, but whatever you guys like. You guys do it. Little piece came out. I got 2. 2. 2. So then, take the potatoes, right? Stop right there. Be careful. It's just fucking hot. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to fuck around burning your shit. Shit in there. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna give it a mix it around one time. Very small pot. That's it, a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of garlic powder, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too much, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. What? So mixing one time. Not from here, get that about 20-25 minutes. Yeah, when I'm done, it should look just like this. That proper. Look at that consistency. It's like thick, but not too thick. After you caught some beans right there.